Namaskaram, Nenu Mansi Gulati. Today we are going to do yoga for healthy and happy stomach. Let's reduce fat from your stomach area. It is difficult? No. We'll guide you how we can reduce fat easily. So we'll tell you very easy asanas and very easy tip for your healthy and happy stomach. So we'll start. First we are going to sit in Sukhasana, Dhyan Mudra. We'll do Samanya Kriya for 10 counts. This is very easy and very important for your stomach. Relax your mind, relax your body. Inhale, exhale. Both from nose itself. Inhale. Ten counts. Then we'll do Kapalbhati. Afterwards we'll do asanas, but these are the best asanas for your stomach. Any problem, any diseases, we can easily reduce, easily resolve by this simple asana and simple kriya. So we'll start with Kapalbhati. Keep your hand here. Twenty counts and relax. 10 counts for Samanya Kriya, 20 counts for Kapalbhati. The best exercise, abdomen exercises for your stomach. So now we'll start with asana, instant and fast asana for your belly fat. This is actually we are working on our belly today. Inhale. So we'll start with Paschimottanasana asana. First, bend your right leg in a proper way. Inhale. Now exhale, go down. You can interlock and go down. Hold it for 10 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 10. This is very important and very good massage for your belly. So we'll do it again. Fold your left leg. Inhale, interlock and stretch, turn, now count 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, bit down, make sure about it. Now come up, inhale, relax. So this is the first step of Paschimottanasana. We'll do proper Paschimottanasana. Inhale, interlock, stretch, turn. Again count for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come up very slowly. Interlock and stretch. Relax. So these are very easy asana for your stomach. Now we'll do second asana for your stomach. That is also very easy. So this is very important area. We are working in this area. So this we called umbrella pose. We are sitting in Bandhasan. Now stretch. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold. Chin up. Now we'll do other asana. This is also very important asana for your stomach fat. We'll tell you. This is very simple and very easy. First, please lie down. Bend your left leg, straighten your legs. Now hold it and try to push your forehead. I mean to say touch your forehead. This is very easy and very simple. We'll do it. Change. Straighten your leg first, 90 degree. Okay, now hold and stretch and touch. This is the most relaxing asana. So lie down. Shavasana. Now last and important asana is Naukasana. Straighten your 45 degree. Again count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Relax. That is all we need to do. We'll get a proper shape in just 7 days. So I will request everyone, do yoga with us, stay healthy, stay safe. That is very important nowadays. It's very difficult time, but every problem have a solution. So our solution is only yoga. Do yoga with us. Eat healthy. Before 5 we can have oily food, but after 5 please avoid it, and drink lot of water. Water is very essential, very important part of your body. So drink lot of water. Water will help you to clear all the bad toxins from your body. Will come again. Thank you.